What's up everybody? This is Raphiel Shannon, or known as VJ Raphiel, here at OPM TV Hits on Viva TV. So as you can see in our setup for today, we will be doing Sarciado Daing, or known as buwan pitikas. Here is buong. Yes, you heard that right. I'm currently in Cebu, here in my hometown, in my house. So I was born and raised here, and I was on a vacation, but then lockdown happened, so nagstay na lang kami dito for a while. Lalagay na natin yung ating mantika. Kaya tayo nasa labas kasi tuyo or daing yung niluluto natin. So, syempre mabaho yun. Tsaka masangsang. So, we're gonna do it here outside. Not inside. But, of course, social distancing. So, better stay indoors. This is still indoors. Next, magigisa na naman tayo. So, pasok natin ng garlic or bawang. Tsaka, onions. Or sibuyas. Next, kukunin natin yung 3 pirasong buwan pinikas or daing natin. Tandaan mo. Dapat, nasa harap yung skin para mas maluto yung nasa loob. Mamaya na natin siya i-flip. I-flip na natin siya ngayon. It's time. Kasi super easy lang talaga, tsaka madali lang siyang lutuin. And it doesn't take a lot of time for it to cook. So, ayun. Next, pag golden brown na lahat, ilalagay na natin ang ating kamatis. Lagyan naman natin ng suka. Suka para mabalance yung taste, hindi masyadong maalat. Ang bango-bango na niya ngayon. Gourmet! Hintayin muna natin siya ng couple of seconds. Tapos ilalagay naman natin yung asukal. So, we're gonna cover it now. Papahinaan natin yung ating electrical stove. So while waiting, what are you guys doing in this time of ECQ? So andito kami ngayon sa Lapu-Lapu, Cebu. And kinlose na yung 2 bridge. Hindi na kami makakalabas outside Lapu-Lapu. So stuck kami dito for a month. No, it's been a month. So, lumambot na yung kamatis natin. Lagyan na naman natin ng asukal, brown sugar. So, once na tapos na natin i-mix, tatakpan na naman natin para mag-cook siya. Ayan! I think luto na siya. O, diba? Ayan, tapos natin Sarciadong Daing. So, I hope magustuhan niyo ang video na to at ang aking nagawa. So remember, always stay indoors, keep safe, stay healthy, and practice social distancing. Goodbye and see you next time. This is VJ Raphiel and I'll see you on OPM TV Hits on Viva TV. Goodbye!